Hey everybody, today we're going to show you how to install one of RecPro's quiet air conditioners. For this installation video, we'll be showing you how to install the 3400 low profile air conditioner. The tools that you're going to need will be self-leveling silicone, a caulk gun, a Phillips head screwdriver or a Phillips head bit for an impact, a 9/16 socket with a ratcheting wrench or an impact. You will also might need wire strippers and crimpers. Ours had Wago connectors, so we stuck with those and did not need these tools. Before doing any electrical work, make sure that you turn the breaker off, go into your AC, and to unplug your RV from any electrical power source you're using. You can test the wires by using a voltage testing pen. Ours lights up green when it's safe to work. It will also light up red and make a constant beeping noise if there's power still in the line. Now that there's no power going to your AC unit, go ahead and remove it. Removing the AC unit will vary depending on the make and model that you have. Before installing any new parts, make sure you clean off all old silicone for a watertight seal. Now that your old unit's removed, we'll need to get the new unit on top of the roof. You can do this by rope and a ladder if you have additional help, or by heavy machinery. Make sure to use your best judgment when doing this. Now go ahead and place the gasket into the 14x14 opening, making sure that this side up sticker is facing up towards you. Now go ahead and place self-leveling silicone around the edge of the gasket, making sure that there's no gaps or openings. Now go ahead and use your finger and slide around the edges to remove any bubbles or gaps that might have been left behind. Now lift the unit on top of the gasket. Make sure the logo on the sides of the AC are facing towards the front of the camper. And make sure you line up the holes so that the mounting bolts go through the gasket into the AC unit. Now at this point, go ahead and locate your air duct and secure it by twisting it into place on the top unit. Make sure to cut the zip tie holding the gray wire in place. The power wire to the main unit is tucked up into the air return of the unit, normally located right next to the gray wire that is zip tied up. When connecting the wires, you should always connect the ground, then the negative, and then the positive. Since we're using Wago connectors, we will just need to flip them up and set the wire all the way and then flip them down. Now you'll need to install the black mounting plate for the plenum. This is held up by the 4 bolts with the metal plates and the washers. These bolts will go through the plenum plate, through the gasket, and into the top unit in each of the 4 corners. Once all 4 bolts are secured into place, pull your air duct down and snap it into place on the black mounting brackets. Now go ahead and locate your gray wire from the top unit and your plenum. Then go ahead and clip these 2 wires together. This wire can only go one way and should not be forced. Now push the white plenum up into the mounting plate and it should snap into place. Now you'll need to remove the filter. To do this, you'll need to pull the 2 tabs inward and pull the filter out. Now you'll need to secure the inside of the plenum using the 4 Phillips head screws. Now reinsert the filter. Now remove the white caps around the outside of the plenum, revealing screw holes, and secure the plenum in place. For the AC remote holder, this can be mounted anywhere you see fit or that works best for you. To mount it, you will just need to use 2 Phillips head screws that are provided with the unit and screw it into the 2 openings of the holder. Now, plug your camper back in, turn your breaker back on, and test your new air conditioner. If you want to learn any more about the products that we used in this video, they'll be linked in the description below. And to remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.